Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a little bit MIA and there's a good reason. I've been currently working on something for a little bit of time. I've been working on my own project and kind of like my own small business slash brand. And I am so excited to finally come on here and show you guys what I've been working on. If you follow me on Instagram, on both my Instagram accounts and TikTok, then you should already know what's happening. But for my YouTube fam, I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on, and it is now live. And I am creating and selling my own press-on nails. I know it's not makeup related, but I am so beyond excited. It's Paulina Nailed It, and I have an Etsy shop where you can shop all of the nails. I have just a few styles right now and a few sizes, but so many more shapes and sizes and designs are coming. I cannot wait for this journey. I am hand making and hand painting all of these nails on my own and packaging them and sending them out to you guys all on my own. And I am just so excited. For a while now, I've been wanting to create something of my own and call my own and be creative and share with you guys, but I just couldn't figure out what that was and what I exactly wanted to do. I went back and forth with a couple different options and things, and I just wasn't feeling it. But then I really feel like everything works out for the best and everything happens for a reason. And I started getting back into doing nail art again, and I just fell in love with it all over again. That's actually how I started, was doing nail art on Instagram, and then I switched over to makeup. But I'm now back into the nail game, and I am just in love with it. I find so much inspiration and so much fun and creativity, I feel like, just flows out of me when I'm doing the nails. So I cannot wait to share these with you. I can't wait for you guys to get them and put them on and tag me and share them on Instagram. I am just so beyond excited. Like, my face, I feel like, lights up every time I talk about it, just because I have now something of my own and I get to share with you. So I'm going to take you along on the process of how I create one of the press-on sets and how I package it and how you're going to receive it and what's in the package, so you guys can get the full experience. And yeah, so if you do end up buying these, I would love, love, love if you support my small business. I now have a small business. I'm a business owner, I'm a boss babe, entrepreneur. That's insane. I would really appreciate if you support my brand, and if you did buy these, I would love, love, love more than anything. I'm so excited and love to see all the nails on you, and if you would post them on Instagram and tag me so I can see them and repost them, because I think I'm just more excited about that than anything, just to see everyone wearing them. So if you want to see how I create the set and how everything comes together, then just keep on watching. So let's start creating these press-on nails, starting with a gel base, and I use all gel polishes, and I'm obsessed with the trend of that nude sheer base and then having nail art over top. And look at how bright and pretty these nails are going to be. So perfect for summer, and I'm obsessed with abstract swirly nails. I love them. And here is the finished result, and look at that transition. Fancy, fancy. Look at how amazing they look on. We glued these on. They look incredible, and then let's see how you're going to receive them when you order your nails. So this is going to be a different set because these are actually already going out to a client. So you're going to receive a nail buffer, nail filer, alcohol wipe, nail glue, nail adhesive tabs, and a cuticle pusher, and all in this little pouch. And here are the nails, and this is how you're going to receive them. Love them, and so pretty. Let's package them up now. We're going to have the nails go in, and then obviously the essentials, and seal it with my logo. So there we have it. That is how the set turned out, how I created it and packaged it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you support me in this journey. And thank you so much for constantly being supportive and just being so nice and loving and showing me all the kindness in the world. I really appreciate it. I love you all so much, and can't wait for you guys to put on your Paulina Nailed It press-on nails. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on both my Instagrams now and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.